What is a foundational estate plan? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer, and today I would like to answer that question for you because I received it from somebody else. When we use terms like foundational, that could mean so many things to so many different people. I grew up in New York, and when people asked for coffee that regular, what that meant was coffee, cream, and sugar. That's what a regular coffee was in New York. So you really have to sort out what the person is asking for. Typically, there are documents that come into play when we're alive, and there are documents that come into play after we pass away. So there are two types of plans generally that I would consider foundational plans. The first would be a will-based plan, and that would include a will, a power of attorney of the durable type or financial power of attorney, which would allow somebody to act on your behalf while you're still alive if you're unable to do so, a healthcare directive, which would allow somebody to act on your behalf if you're unable to regarding healthcare decisions and things like that, and a HIPAA release, which would allow folks to get your medical information or discuss things with your doctors. So on a will-based plan, you're going to have a will, you're going to have healthcare directive, you're going to have a general power of attorney, and you can have a HIPAA release. In a trust-based plan, if it is a living trust, one that you're going to set up and fund when you are alive, you will have the living trust. You will have a will, but it'll be a pour-over will in case when the last person passed away, just in case something might have been titled in that person's name only, that would allow the house or the personal property that is titled in the decedent's name that never made it into the trust to pour over into the trust. And then you would have your same documents as a will-based plan, a power of attorney, a healthcare power of attorney, a HIPAA release. And depending upon other situations, you can add to these foundational plans. You might need guardianship information. You might want to work on some type of Medicaid planning. You might have other issues that you need to do. But a foundational-based plan, if it's a will-based plan or a trust-based plan, those are the documents that you will need. If you have any questions regarding an estate plan, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.